Welcome to the weekly news update here on Crypto TV Plus. It's the 28th of April 2022 and I'm Oshunniyi bringing you the weekly dose of blockchain news. Coming up, Aave's founder kicked out of Twitter for allegedly spreading FUD. BSP to explore the use of digital currency. Dragonfly Capital launches $650 million venture fund. Bitcoin ATM installed in Mexico's Senate building. Now let's get you updated on the Crypto Weekly news. First up, the founder of Aave has been banned from Twitter after putting out a recent tweet that took the platform by storm. Stani Kulechov, the head of the leading DeFi platform that allows users to borrow cryptocurrencies, seemed to have spread FUD with his recent tweets. Breaking: joining Twitter as interim CEO. Not only did Kulechov pin the tweet, he also made a follow-up tweet expressing gratitude towards Elon Musk, the current CEO of Twitter. It reads, "Thank you, Elon Musk, for the opportunity to work at Twitter. My first agenda is the roadmap for 90 days, ship edit button by next week, open source the Twitter algorithms, add support for Ethereum and ENS." Kulechov's account was later suspended, and the move has since been associated with Elon Musk's plans to cut down on misinformation. Although Musk has maintained that allowing free speech on Twitter is a significant part of his goal, misinformation isn't. The Banco Central NG Filipinas is looking at a long-term and more advanced use of CBDCs as it pushed ahead with a plot project involving an experiment on the use of this virtual asset to transfer large-value financial transactions on a round-the-clock basis. At the seasonal spring meetings of the International Monetary Bank and World Bank, recently held in Washington, D.C., BSP Governor Benjamin Diokno tweeted this plot run as part of efforts to bolster and ensure stability of payment systems in the Philippines. The plot project will run across a limited number of financial institutions, but possibly covering both banks and non-bank institutions. The crypto-focused investment firm Dragonfly Capital has announced closing its third fund with $650 million in capital. Some of the limited partners were Tiger Global, KKR, Sequoia China, Invesco, and top-tier capital partners, amongst others. The fund's valuation is twice that of the previous two, which totaled $300 million combined. According to the filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission earlier this year, Dragonfly Capital initially intended to raise $500 million. The focus areas of the firm's third fund will be across all stages of blockchain and crypto companies, protocols, and tokens that aim to develop new digital economies. Additionally, the new initiative is expected to enable Dragonfly Capital to lead rounds in later stage companies. Its managing partner, Habib Qureshi, revealed that the firm plans to invest in several burgeoning sectors. These include play-to-earn gaming, DAO's infrastructure, and Web3 developer tooling, in addition to decentralized finance, smart contracts, non-fungible tokens, and the metaverse. And finally, Mexico's Senate building now houses the country's 14th Bitcoin ATM, a sign of the country's increasing interest in Bitcoin. The ATM was installed on Tuesday with the support of several legislators, including Miguel Angel Mancera, head of the parliamentary group of the Party of the Democratic Revolution. Senator and outspoken crypto enthusiast Indra Kempis shared her excitement at the development on Twitter, stating this: "For freedom, inclusion, and financial education in Mexico." And that's it for the weekly news update here on Crypto TV Plus. For more market updates and all the happenings captured in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, visit our website cryptotvplus.com and also follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter at Crypto TV Plus, to get daily info on our programs. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button as well. And just in case you have questions regarding any of our news, join me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'm Oshunniyi. Until next time.